Hey, here again at the Apple Conference in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm here with Carolyn Guntur, and she's from Illinois. And Carolyn, you actually do more than just photo organizing.
Yes.
You also do professional organizing and then genealogy.
Genealogy, family history. Yeah, I love it.
So what's the connection between photo organizing and genealogy family history?
It's all storytelling, right?
Okay.
We're all storytellers. A photo without a story, it doesn't mean much. And I feel like the genealogy part is how that photo came to be. And the photo itself is that moment of just that special moment, right? Where something happened. But if you're missing the genealogy part, I feel like you're missing the story behind why that photo, why that person is in that place, why this moment is happening. So I feel like that's the connection.
And how do you help your clients actually make those connections?
I do research for them. We help break down some brick walls with DNA testing. Lots of people want to try that nowadays, but maybe not sure how to go about it or how to interpret the results. And a lot of the times we just come across photos that they don't know who the person is, like ancestral photos. And then we say, okay, let's see if we can put the dots together here and figure out who this person is in the story and why do you have this photo in your collection.
Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
And we'll talk to you again soon from Albuquerque.